Hi everyone, it's Stephen here from digitalmarketingclub.net, and today's topic is more about motivation. Now, what is fantastic is that you most likely have a website, but there's going to be a percentage of those websites out there which you're out there with, which haven't actually done much with. Have you? Have you done much? Well, most people simply think, I'm going to build a website and I'm only going to add pages to it. I'm going to add a new page. I'm going to add product pages, news pages, maybe add a forum to it. But do you actually split test and aid the conversions? We all think in the digital marketing departments or the marketing departments, we need to produce more content. What we actually forget is, can we do more in aiding the conversion? Now, what is your conversion? Is it a contact us form? Is it having people purchase from your website? So, can you and should you be actually testing? Yes, you should be. Simply, you should be. There should be one part of your job in digital marketing where you are aiding conversions. So, for example, I'm a lover of having Google understand and bringing me traffic by producing long articles. Could be 5,000 words in some cases. Ooh, that's a long article to read. Long articles about a guided topic. Google loves it. Look at Wikipedia. But the problem is, with that type of page, people scan down it, or they don't read every single article, part of the article, because it could be a long article, and you get, Google loves it, but the problem is you don't convert. These people are awesome who come to that website page because it's exactly what you're selling because of the guide, but the problem is you are not taking them to the sales funnel. That's an often problem. So, what I do, and this is a little bit cheeky, but it works, very simply, is I take that long article and I make it into 5 to 10 articles. Okay, it's a 5,000 word article. I split it into 500 words. Okay, 10 pages, and I basically put read more at the bottom. Our next be another subject of that long article. Okay, I also on that page put a group of links underneath that which suggests products or services. Very simple. I'm creating a sales funnel back to my main website, and all it did was a little bit of split testing or actually adjusting the pages. Now, some of you are going to say, oh, it's a bit difficult for me to actually do that because we hire an agency. Then what I suggest is you speak to the agency, very simply, and come up with some ideas and ask them to split test. An agency will easily be able to do split testing for you. Why should you do split testing? And how can you sell this to your boss? If a page isn't converting, it doesn't mean it is a bad page. What it means is you haven't increased the conversion rate and you haven't worked on it. It could be the case of changing an image or text or a title or a color of a button or what the button says. Buy now, learn more, which is going to work. What you need to do is to say to your boss, we're aiding conversions. If we aid a conversion which is a buy now conversion and we aid it by 1% of the traffic which hits that page, how much is that worth to the business? It could be, in some cases, a few pounds. It could be hundreds of thousands of pounds per year. It could be millions of pounds, depending on what your business sells. Now, your boss shouldn't argue about that. If you can aid a conversion, increase a conversion, you are going to make more money for the company. You can show that by saying this is the number of sales that we've increased or the number of leads. Now, some people might say, we've got more leads, but we haven't got more sales. That's not marketing. Marketing brings the leads in. Okay, it's up to the sales guys to get that conversion on the sale by either send it to themselves, for them to do the sale, or for them to send it off to a reseller and motivating their resellers. Another reason why you should change and work on your pages and your page styling to aid conversions, and by split testing. If you can reduce your bounce rate, it simply says to Google against a competitor's page on that same topic, same interest, that you've got a better bounce rate, you are better than your competitor. If you can do that on many, many pages, you will go higher up the rankings. And what does that mean? Traffic. More traffic means more sales, more leads. Simply, that's how I would sell it. Go out. If you can do it, fantastic. Do it yourself. Go and do some split testing. Put something in your diary to say every Wednesday morning, I'm going to do some split testing. Motivate your marketing departments to think about split testing. Sit down with your team and actually look at a page and say, how can we get a better conversion? And let's split test it. See how much traffic appears from one page, and then send it another group of traffic to that same page and see which one is better. Doing things like split testing, adapting pages to aid conversion, end of the day, it's only going to do one thing. It's going to help you have a better website. And end of the day, a better website makes more money for the company that you work for or for your personal company. Anyway, I hope you've had a great day today seeing this video. I hope it's given you a bit of motivation to actually go out and play with your web pages a bit more. And hey, have a great day, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.